Hello dear, hope you all are alright. Today's very important topic regarding adjectives. Here are some sentences. You all have to use suitable sentence in each sentence. So let's start from first sentence, that is the town stood dash size. So here हमको क्या यूज़ करना है कि एडजेक्टिव्स कौन सा suitable adjectives है वो we have to use here. So here first first will be fearful. Fearful seas. The town stood a fearful seas. Next, the dash prize was won by a Muslim. तो here जो एडजेक्टिव लगेगा वो होगा फर्स्ट the let me change the color of this first. Okay, the first prize was won by a Muslim. In third कौन सा एडजेक्टिव यूज करना होगा? First of all we have to read a sentence. The dash woman lives in a wretched hut. So the proper adjective will be poor. The poor woman lives in a wretched hut. ये जो भी टेस्ट्स अपकमिंग टेस्ट्स होती हैं उनमें सच टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स यूज़ होते हैं. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू मेक ग्रुप इन एडजेक्टिव. Number fourth, this is a very dash matter. So here very easy adjective will be used. This is very serious matter. Okay, in sentence number 5, the battle of Waterloo ended in a victory. कौन सी विक्ट्री में एंड हुई? That victory is grand victory. Okay, number 6 sentence is about the suddenly there arose a dash storm. अब here the adjective will be used violent, means बहुत ही खतरनाक तूफान अचानक आ गया. Sentence number 7, it is a dash lie. So here the proper adjective will be used, which is deliberate. It is a deliberate lie, means जानबूझकर. deliberate means जानबूझकर ये झूठ बोला गया है. Okay, number 8, the dash tidings were heavy blow to the old man. So here the said, the adjective which is to be used here will be the said tidings. Okay, in 9th sentence, here is Rs 50 pay the fare and keep the dash money. Okay, in 9th very easy remaining means जो रहते हैं पैसे वो अपने पास रखिए. Number 10th, his reading is of a very range. अब here जो adjective यूज होगा that will be wide range. Okay, these are very important. You must understand and try to use them in your daily routine. Next, the injured man wants advice. So here will be wants medical. Let me change color of adjective. Medical advice. He needs medical advice, means the injured man wants medical advice. Okay, next one, you cannot have it ways. Now here The adjective will be used both. मीन्स यू कैन नॉट हैव इट बोथ वेज, आपको ये दोनों तरीके से नहीं मिल सकता। ओके, उसके बाद पाकिस्तान एक्सपेक्ट्स मैन टू डू हिज ड्यूटी। अब पाकिस्तान एक्सपेक्ट्स एवरी, दिस इज एडजेक्टिव every, is Pakistan expects every man to do his duty. Okay, next